Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, I would like to teach you exactly how you can draw circles in Photopea photo and image editing tool. It is super simple, guys, and you absolutely don't need any advanced image editing or graphic designing skills whatsoever to draw these circles. So let me show you a simple trick how you can do it even as a complete beginner. With that in mind, drop a like and now let us get started. So all you need to do, guys, is head over to photopea.com, of course, launch a new project, and let's say you have a simple plain white background like that here. All you need to do to draw a circle, you don't have to draw it manually with any drawing tools or pencils. All you need to do is select the rectangle tool here on the left hand side. Now you may, for instance, expand that menu by right clicking on it, and that is going to give you access to other forms like, for instance, ellipses, lines, custom shapes, and so on and so forth. So to draw a circle, simply left click or select ellipse, and yeah, simply start drawing your ellipse or circle using your mouse by pressing and holding your left mouse and by drawing your ellipse. However, guys, if you do it just like that, you will not get a circle but an ellipse. So to turn an ellipse into a full clean circle, simply repeat the same process, but at the same time hold left shift on your keyboard, and as you can see, that ellipse has been turned into a circle, and that's basically it. Now you may select your circle by using the move tool here at the top, and yeah, do with it whatever you like. Edit it, customize it, give it a different color, resize it, and so on and so forth, guys. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and I'll catch you later.